Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do Shion from number 6, my favorite anime of all time. We're going to start off with a nice creamy base. I'm going a little bit paler than usual, mostly because this is the only concealer I own that did not dry out. But it's just a normal foundation base. We're going to put some highlights under our eyes and on top of our nose. But what's really going to help out, especially if you have darker eyebrows, is if you don't want to completely block them out with glue, which usually doesn't work that well, go ahead and just cover them with concealer, maybe go backwards against the grain, and then I'm using a white eyeliner pencil to fill them in. And to give him a little bit more life, because I'm not going to be putting any blush on him, I'm giving him a lot of highlighter. I also felt like my eyebrows needed a little bit of love, so I put some gray in there. To make him look a little bit, more pale, I put a little bit of red in my waterline, and you just smudge that out. For eyeshadow, we're going super simple. I picked a slightly warmer toned brown, and I'm just going around the outer corner of the eye and putting a lighter color on the lid. Boom, we're done. A little bit of eyeliner, just a little bit, tiny little cat eye. Helps to add a little bit more definition back to the face. For his scars, we're gonna go ahead and just use liquid lipstick because you don't want to go out and buy a million body paints just to get his unique pastel pink, fleshy scar tone. So I'm just using a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna set it with powder later, and it should last you all day. A basic nude lipstick just so you don't have concealer lips. No false eyelashes for him. We're just gonna put on some mascara and we're gonna enjoy our day. You ever hear the phrase, make what you want, not necessarily what other people want? Yeah, this is the definition thereof. This is my favorite anime ever made. It was made back in, I think, 2011. It was one of the first anime I ever watched. I watched it as I was airing, and you could probably ask anyone in my family. And right as the last scene happened, I was just crying my eyes out on the family PC because I would highly suggest this. It was the first gay anime I've ever seen. If you like the apocalypse, you like boys, you like white-haired anime boys, and bees, this is the show for you. Episode 2, content warning. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. It'll boost my poor, suffering ego, and it'll help me make more videos. I do post once every Friday, either con or makeup-related stuff. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I hope this helped you guys, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye. His name is Nezumi, not Rat. Thank you.